So here at C2N, we are working on the nano displacement of nano objects that we are fabricating in clean room, and we are probing this displacement thanks to light, and the interaction between light and mechanics can bring to a chaotic regime that we are studying here in this laboratory. I really appreciate this comparison, because what we are doing here at C2N in the clean room of the laboratory is to do almost a unique copy of object or nano object, even if we are doing it with huge equipment. And if we try to do the same sample or the same object twice, it won't be the same, but we can still have a different response or different characteristic of the structure, and it's really challenging. So this collaboration, this residency, brings me another way of looking at my work, and another way of explaining what I'm doing, really a less technical way. But I really enjoy it because it brings you outside of your comfort zone. So sure, it will be seen very differently. I guess it will be seen as we are seeing right now science, which was done 100 years ago.